Come on, let's find the beech tree. We can lay here playing for a while. Come on, pack your pocket full of pebbles, the pretty ones that we can't skip on the sea. Come on, pack your world into a suitcase, grab your ticket and come along with me. We are floating now. Bring your dreams back up into the clouds. We are falling down. Put your heart in the skies and your feet won't touch the ground. Come on, let's climb the beacons. At the top you can see for miles. Come on, we've packed a picnic. We can rest if you get tired. Come on, pack your heart like a tissue. Up your sleeve, leave the tears behind you. Come on with your guitar for a backpack. Grab your ticket 'cause we're gonna make it through. We are floating now. Bring your dreams back up into the clouds. We are falling down. Put your heart in the skies and your feet won't touch the ground. Come on, tell me all your stories, even ones that make me cry. Come on, say something beautiful. Don't you know I'm falling for your eyes? Like a songbird flies, or a teardrop dries, or a snowflake dies. We are floating now. Bring your dreams back up into the clouds. We are falling down. Put your heart in the skies and your feet won't touch the ground. We are falling down. Put your heart in mine and your feet won't touch the ground. Hi, I'm Eleri Angharad. That was my song Into the Clouds. I'm going to be entertaining you for a bit this evening. This next one is one that I've written and it's called Write You a List. I would wake up and you would hold me. I would listen, you'd whisper gently, and I'd take your hand and you would kiss it and smile up at you. Don't you miss it? And then you'd look me in the eye and ask if I'm feeling alright. How's my head after last night? And I just smile, but I could run Thank you. It's lovely to be here in Cardiff and singing my songs for you. I recently brought out an EP which I have for sale on my website, which is www.eleriangharadmusic.co.uk. This next one is one of my songs and it's called Stuck on You.
Help me to forget
song is the title track of my EP, Ticket to the Sky, which you can find on my website, Eleri This is Ticket to the Sky. I don't wanna miss you, but I think I already do, and I've got no strings, so I can do anything that I need a little money to travel the world, flying back around and back around again. So if you need me, I'll be on the phone, and it won't be too long till I'm coming home, 'cause I need a little time to figure out myself again, and I need a word that rhymes to finish off this line. I'm on an airplane flying high. I've gotta be where I can dream a one-way ticket to the sky. I've got my suitcase, so watch my brave face passing by. I wanna kiss you before you fall, falling for somebody new, and I am taking it slow, 'cause it won't be too long till I've gotta go, and I am needing some space, 'cause the last thing that I wanna do is scare you away. So if you need me, I'll be waiting for you, 'cause we've got a rhythm and you know it's true. But I need a little time to figure out myself again, and I need a word that rhymes to finish off this line. I'm on an airplane flying high. I've gotta be where I can dream a one-way ticket to the sky. I've got my suitcase, so watch my brave face passing by. This is dangerous, and I'm feeling it change. There's a distance now, and you're fading away. So if you wanna let this go, I'll understand, but please soften the blow, 'cause I need a little time to figure out myself again, and I need a word that rhymes to finish off this line. I'm on an airplane flying high. I've gotta be where I can dream a one-way ticket to the sky. I've got my suitcase, so watch my brave face passing by. This next one's called All I Can Do.
This is an old Beach Boys song that I like, and it's called Good Vibrations.
I love the colourful clothes he wears, and the way the sunlight plays upon his hair. I hear the sound of a gentle word on the wind that lifts his perfume through the air. I'm picking up good vibrations, he's giving me excitations. I'm picking up good vibrations, he's giving me excitations. Good, 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 good vibrations. Good, 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 good vibrations. Close my eyes, he's somehow closer now. I softly smile, I know he must be kind. When I look in his eyes, he goes with me to a blossom world. I'm picking up good vibrations, he's giving me excitations. I'm picking up good vibrations, he's giving me excitations. Good, 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 good vibrations. 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 Don't know where, but he sends me there. I don't know where, but he sends me there. My, what elation. Gotta keep those loving good vibrations are happening. Whoa, gotta keep those loving good vibrations are happening. I love the colourful clothes he wears, and the way the sunlight plays upon his hair.
Okay, I've got one more song for you. This one is one I wrote, and it's on my first EP, Ticket to the Sky, which you can see on iTunes and on my website, which is eleriangharadmusic.co.uk, for those of you who've just walked in. This song I have a music video for, which I released this week, and it's called 5 Years Old.
Mad on the weekends on a rainy day, you caught my umbrella as it tried to blow away, and I knew right then we were gonna be. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday passed, and out of the blue Thursday you called me up, asked if I wanted to take a walk with you down by the sea. Then you take me by the hand and you kiss me on the nose, and I don't know how to feel, pretty special I suppose. You wrap me in your arms and it's dark and cold. We'd run on screaming like we're 5 years old. June, July and August, hoping for some sun. We'd have spaghetti in the garden when our work was done. You put up my umbrella as the rain came down again. You'd ask me to dance and sweep me off my feet, and I'd kiss you in the rain in the middle of the street. I feel your heartbeat as I hold you here with me. Then you take me by the hands and you kiss me on the nose, and I don't know how to feel, pretty special I suppose. You wrap me in your arms and it's dark and cold. We'd pleasure to behold. You kiss me on the forehead like I'm 5 years old. And then we both say things we didn't mean. We'd call each other's bluff and we'd shout and scream. You'd walk out the door into the dark and cold. I'd sit here